So the last day I make a video about this particular project called Rpk, I told you guys that they started distributing Rpk to our wallet. So as you can see, today I just received a notification that I received community reward from the community reward from the public. That is Rpk. Sorry. So for some time now, I've been receiving this amount 24, 23, 23, 24, that kind of a thing, pieces of Rpk. And if you don't know Rpk is the token of the project called Republic. So Republic is a social media it's a Web3 social media app where people make posts and earn some reward. So on this particular Web3 project, you don't just make posts like your normal social media handle where you just make posts and nothing is going to be rewarded to you. No, you make posts, you earn by communicating and reacting to people's posts here, like something like giving likes. At least if you give 5 likes in each post, only 5 likes have already enabled you to earn six pieces of this particular Rpk token. So if you go over to this particular place, you see it, you earn 20 XP for checking in the public app every single day, 5 XP for every 5 followers you get every single day, 5 XP for giving 5 likes in a day, which I just gave now. And if you go over to my notification hand over here, you see that I've just received 6.5 likes SP, which include 1.5 SP for giving likes in the public app for the last 24 hours. So I also earned 20 pieces of SP plus 6 SP for having my badge, for also signing into the app every day. And every single person that follows me, I'm gonna follow back. So I'm currently below 1,000 followers and I'm following 442 people in Rpk project. So why am I making this video today? First, I'm making this video to remind you guys to take this your mining serious, this particular Rpk earning serious, because soon this particular coin that we are receiving here is going, once the distribution time reach, they are going to allow us to withdraw it, and you will withdraw according to whatever you have. So how do you earn? First of all, you earn by accumulating this XP. So as you can see, I'm having 17,302 XP. And again, if you consistently stay in the app for 7 good days, they're gonna give you a surprise box, which you see that I just did it here, and I have completed the 7 days streak, and now they have rewarded me with a surprise boss. So what I have to do is to click on claim over here, and as you can see, I just earned 156 XP as a reward. So it have added to my reward, and that is it for now. So for now on, I'm going to be doing it for the next 7 days streak, and I will just got another box again. So there's not much to do in this video. In case you have not signed up to this particular project, don't miss it out, as some of you look down on Avive and missed it out. Try your best to interact with it. It's not going to cost you anything. Try your best, make posts, like people's posts, follow people and get followers, then accumulate XP that is going to reward you with Rpk token, and so that once the distribution time comes, we are going to earn from it. So let's go and check the price of this particular project. And as you can see over here, the Republic is currently at 0.005592 USD. So the project is still new, and look at the price here. So we are accumulating SP points that is going to give us Rpk token every single day, and we are trying our best to accumulate, even if it is 1,000 pieces of it before distribution. If you check CoinGecko, you will see the current price of Republic is currently worthing 0.55892, and let's assume that we accumulate around 1,000 pieces of Republic token before distribution. Is going to give you around $55, and if you luckily make it around 2,000, it's going to be over $100. So what am I saying in this video? Try your best and accumulate the token for free, and let's see how the distribution is going to be. Once again, my name still remains Rpk, and I hope you guys got value from this video. Take every project serious. It's not easy to get a free coin. Take every project serious, and that is what I have for you guys today. See you guys on my next video once again. Bye.